loves, bonjour, buhay, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I was like, it's currently heat wave in Europe, and I figured out this video would be interesting, especially that this item that I'm going to share with you guys is something that I know has been on trend for a while, since last year I think, and it's coming back again this year. And honestly, I wasn't eyeing this at all. I just bumped into someone through Instagram and I was like, oh, those are nice ones. And then I was like, okay, let's order some, try them on, and we'll see what I will keep. And then when I got them, and I was like, oh, I will do a video for this because I know some of you guys might be interested to have it. So without further ado, let's go to the video. Okay, so the items that I wanted to share with you, that like I've mentioned earlier in the intro of this video, are none other than the trend shoes of 2025 and 2026. And those shoes are, let me show them to you because I have 3 pairs, but I'm just going to keep one. Okay, so these items are the jelly flats. So let me show you what I have got. I have this jelly flats from Steve Madden, and then I also have this jelly flats, I think this is from Dolce Vita, and then lastly I have this jelly flats from the brand Jenny. So I'm going to give you first the background of why I suddenly got into the jelly flats and where I have ordered them, and then I'm going to give you my first impression of each of them, what I thought about them, choosing them and trying them, and what I'm going to keep. So let's head on to the details. So first and foremost, I am going to let you know where I bought them. So these 3 different jelly flats, I bought them all from an online boutique here in Belgium, and that online boutique called Zalando. It's actually a third-party online website, so they don't have a physical boutique, so everything is only on website, and they have different types of brands. So I was like, okay, I'm going to order here so I can try those 3 different brands and then choose which one I'll keep, and at least I know before paying them, because you have the option of trying it for 14 calendar days if I'm not mistaken, and then if you don't want any of it or just one of it or whatsoever, you can send it back and then you don't have to pay. You just have to pay, for the ones that you're going to keep. So that's the option that I picked. So I picked up, like I mentioned earlier, the Steve Madden jelly flats, and then I have ordered the Dolce Vita one, and then lastly I took also the Jenny one, and then I picked up, as you can see, I have 3 different, let's say, colors. I have a very clear one with rhinestones, and then I have this clear white one, and then for the Jenny they don't have a clear one, so I got the black one, which I like because it's very neutral. So that's how they look like, all of them 3 together. Let me just hold the right foot. I'm going to show it to you so you have an idea how they look like all together. Trying my best. Sorry, up like that. So there you go. So they kind of like look the same in style, but with some differences as well. So now I'm just going to tell you why I have opted for these 3, and then what I think about them, and lastly which one I'm going to choose and which are the ones I'm going to send back. So first and foremost, the first style that I really wanted to have is the Dolce Vita one, because this is a very, classic style of flats or ballerinas or whatsoever. And what I really liked about this one is that it's very, it could be, I mean, I can wear this casually as well as formally because of the tip, you know, this shape of for the toe. And also, as you can see in here, it is very cushiony, and that I think will be very great when you'll be walking with this, especially with flats. It's always nice to have something cushiony so that you won't have sore feet. So that's why I opted for this particular one and in this specific color. I also wanted to try the red one, but they don't have it in my size anymore. Oh yeah, by the way, all of these 3 flats, I have ordered them in size 36 because they don't have a 35 nor a 35.5 EU size. Actually, I'm a 35/35.5, but since there's the smallest they got is 36, that's why I opted for the 3 at 36, and that is also one of the reasons why I'm going to send back 2 of them and just going to keep 1 because of the size as well. So yeah, so this is the Dolce Vita, and that is the reason why I have chose this one, the style and the cushion. And then the second one that I have that I picked was the Steve Madden one. Honestly, this style, I wasn't really eyeing this because it's totally different from the Dolce Vita, because as you can see, Dolce Vita is a lot more formal. Unlike this one, it's more of a, I don't know, a casual look, and I don't know how it looks like. It's like a mini boots. So I wasn't really eyeing it, and then I just saw some videos on YouTube and Instagram, and then the lady there said that yeah, she got this with the rhinestone and it looked pretty well. So I was like, okay, you know what, since I can try and I can send it back if it wasn't good, that at least I have been able to try them. So yeah, that is actually the only reason that why I have I chose this one, because of that video and the rhinestone. And the difference also is this clear jelly flats color is not the same as this one. As you can see, this is more of a clear glassy look, and then this is a very clear see-through almost, but with rhinestones. Yeah, that's the only thing I liked about this one is the rhinestones. It's bling bling. So we'll see what I think about it once I have tried it on. And then the last one I got was this one, the black one, because I was like, okay, let's choose another color. And then this was also the only size they have in this was the only color they have in my size, and this looks totally kind of like the Steve Madden one. So I was like, okay, let's try it in a different color because the Steve Madden one is already a clear one. The only difference though is that this doesn't have any rhinestones. And then yeah, lastly, also I think I'm going to put the prices on the screen. The cheapest one is this one. I think it's not more than 20 euros. And then the second one will be the Dolce Vita. It's in the region of between 55 to 60 euros. And then the Steve Madden ones are the expensive of the 3. I think it's around 60 to 65 euros. But it's not that expensive, but those are the 3 different price range. I have a 20, 50, and then 60 euros. Now I'm going to tell you what I think about them once I have tried them on. Okay, so now I'm just going to show you the Jenny ones. So I'm going to try it on right now and show you how it looks like on my feet. Let me just put it up. Voila. Okay, so that's how they look like on my feet. It's okay. Let me do it like that. So up. It's okay. The size is nice, but it's just, I think it's just a bit tight. As you can see, my nails, my toe nails are already touching the front part, and then I'm afraid that once I'll be walking with them, it will be too much. You can see there I'm touching already. Yeah, it will bug me, and then it kind of like, you know, tight around my feet. But apart from that, the color is great. It's very neutral. So yeah, so let's try the other ones. Okay, so these are the Dolce Vita ones. So let me just try it. This one. Okay, and then the other foot. The cushion is very great. I like it a lot. Oh yeah, that is nice. The cushion part is nice. I can feel it, but yup, that's what I think. It's too big. See? So on the toe part, it's okay, and it's a lot softer than the first one. But once I'll be walking, it will come off. Yeah, no, it will come off. Arrgh. Oh, too bad. But yeah, that's how it looks like on my feet. Okay, so last but not the least are the Steve Madden. Okay, let me just put them. Okay. Up. Voila. And then the other one. Okay. So that's how they looks like, my feet. And then about the sizing, non ça va, it's okay, it's not coming off, and you can see my feet, it's a lot see-through, but it's cute. Less cushiony, less softer than the Dolce Vita one, but workable. Yeah. Okay, so that's how it looks like, my feet. So there you go, guys, you've seen the tryout, and in short, what I think about them. The genuine, the color was great, I really liked it, but it was a hassle putting it on. I needed both of my hands, or at least one of my hands, to put it on. And then on the upper part of my feet, it was quite tight. And then the thing that I really didn't like about it is that my toenails, I can feel that they are touching the jelly part. So for the genuine, that will be a no-no. And then for the Dolce Vita, oh, I really liked it, because it's very easy to put on, cushiony, great, but it was big. You can see my feet is coming out. And then lastly, the Steve Madden, I love it. Unfortunately, there's no cushion in it, so really the difference between the Dolce Vita with the cushiony and then the Steve Madden without the cushion. But apart from that, the Steve Madden was very easy to put on. I didn't even need both of my hands, or even my hand. I just slip on my feet inside the shoe, and it was already great. And then the jelly part is very soft, so it was a lot easier than the genuine to to wear, and even just for trying out, you can see it's a lot more supple. And then the toe part, unlike the genuine, this is I don't feel the snug. But yeah, like I said, the only bummer is that it doesn't have a cushion. The only good thing though, the fact that it doesn't have any cushions, is I can wear this if I want to go at the pool or something like that. It can, if there will be some water or rain, it will be less hassle than the Dolce Vita. So I guess you know which one I'm going to be keeping. Yes, indeed, I'll be keeping the Steve Madden Jelly Flats, even though this one is the expensive of the three. I think it's worth the price. And then what I really liked about this in comparison to those two is that it's really very transparent, so it seems like I wasn't wearing any shoes at all. So yeah, and then with the rhinestones, especially when there will be light, it will be great. So yeah, so all in all, I'll be keeping the Steve Madden for those reasons. The softness of the jelly flats, I don't know, of the plastic whatsoever, so it's a lot softer. And then the style, even though at first I didn't like the style, but once I wear it, it was really nice. It gives me a different style from what I'm usually wearing, so it's a plus as well. And then the rhinestone, the only, let's say, con is that it doesn't have any cushion, but apart from that, it's great. So this is the pair that I'm going to be keeping. Oh yeah, one last thing that I really wanted to add was to show you the finishing of each of the shoes. So as you can see in here, this is the Steve Madden, and that is how it looks like. So it's nicely finished for what I can see. And then that's the Steve Madden, and then the Dolce Vita one, that's how it looks like. It's also nicely finished and done. It's the cutting as well, it's nicely cut, as you can see, the bottom part. So good finishing. And then the Jenny one, so this is the Jenny one. The Jenny one though is, I don't know if you can see, I don't really like the finishing, because as you can see in here, just here, this may not be visible. Yeah, there, see, there's the plastic is not nicely cut. If I have to compare it, of course, to the Steve Madden one with the cut, which are nicely done, as well as the Dolce Vita one. So yeah, so, and then this is how the bottom sole looks like. This is how the bottom sole looks like. So you can see in here, see, this is a lot higher than the Steve Madden one, so that's why I think this one is a lot not stiffer, but you know, feels like smaller than the Steve Madden one. Yeah, so that's an additional info if you are, let's say, just wanted to have a jelly flats but not putting a lot of money. I think this is okay, but if I have to choose, of course, I picked this one for the comfort and the style, but of course price wise this is a lot better. And then if this one, if I could have had the 35.5 or the 35, I will definitely get it, maybe, but not in this color, in red one. So yeah, if I can find this in a 35 or a 35.5 to try first, but in red, I'll definitely keep it, the red one. But yeah, but in the lot, in this tree, it's the Steve Madden one. So there you go, guys, that was my video about the jelly flats and the comparison of those different brands and styles. If you have any questions or whatsoever about the jelly flats, don't hesitate to put them in the comment section down below, and I'll be happy to answer them if I can. And also, if you have enjoyed this video and like it, please feel free to give it a big thumbs up, as it will really help the algorithms of my channel. And also, for those of you who haven't subscribed on my channel yet, feel free to click that subscribe button as well as the notification bell. That way you won't miss any of my future videos. And then apart from that, I'm sweating. I would like to thank you for always tuning in, for always being there, watching my videos, and for supporting my channel. Until then, I wish you all to stay safe and see you on my next video. Take care, guys. Bye.